I am Zyla Dilicano.
My name is Adrian P. Tim. I am John Paul Taghoy.
I am Rex Figuerona.
I'm Micah Pejona.
And we're from Tribo Mangpong Baladanon. So far, based on my experience, the practice is so very hard gid siya. Dili gid siya kanang lalim ginawa practice every day na lalim pagid na kanang dugay pud mauli kanang during practices and also kanang mga kanang di ba na po tay kanang tiring day kanang maglain gyud tong lawas tungod sa practice na kita pamaol gid so buwan tagga ng practice pero go laban lang mo practice gyapon
Para
ta
kang Senior Santo Niño. Laban lang jud.
Laban jud.
para gid ni kay Senior Santo Niño na maghalad ta para kaniya. This sinulog is to celebrate him.
Wala ta sayo para magara-gara lang. May sayo ta para kang halat sayo pang Senior Santo Niño. Wala kanila mag-sayo para kanang kwalan diha. Isayo may para kang Senior Santo Niño. I would like to invite everyone to watch Inolog in this upcoming January 10. I hope everyone will be here, enjoy the show, have fun, and also drink some water. Yeah, it's so very hot. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you.
I'm Kling Ortiz Loreto. I'm one of the choreographers of Pundok Luzinians from Barangay Luz. The greatest thing yun nga dapat unahunahon sa contingent is they're offering to Senior Santo Niño. Kay even if nga mo aim taog-daog, but dili kinasing-kasing nga atong performance, for me personally, dili gyud siya mag-work. Kay ako, I've been with different contingents nga, feel na mo, nindot na mi, but nagkulang mi sa among devotion, murag, too much focused on the competition rather than doing this as an offering. So mona it's best yun nga as we think of it as a competition dapat di gyud nato kalimtan ang atong number one natong reason why gibuhat ni nato and it is to offer to Senior Santo Niño. Teaser regarding our performance, it's very relevant and na-adjust lesson nga maponder ang tanan. Any people from all walks of life na-adjust makapunan sa among presentation. Nagsugod may screening mga first week of November or last week of October, I guess. Then, since it's a city-based contingent, lisod yun ang manpower kay maginilugay sa mga performers ang lain-lain nga contingents, but thankfully by mid-November na okay ang among mga performers. Honestly, ang struggles namo is ang among patisanan yun kay super kagamay sa area. Though we have different gyms, but gamay ra gyud siya to cater 96 dancers and 200 plus na craftsmen. So we're very thankful nga for us among Blocking Time kay at least this is our first and last time nga makapractice sa venue. So medyo na kuan gyapon na sud na namo tanan. And yeah, I think that's the struggle of most contingents man gud kay most city contingents kay wala gyud mga gym nga dagko. So far mo struggle namo, but thankfully supportive ra sa gyud ang among barangay kay kanang even if naami struggle ngayon ana ang ilang support gyud ang naghatag namo o nag-fuel namo nga mo keep going. Inviting everyone to please support our contingent number 11 Pundok Luzinians from Barangay Luz. Okay, since this is our first time and we will bring something different and something that's worth watching for. Thank you.